Hi, this is Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. In this video, we are going to see how to claim a Fitbit warranty. Let me detail the very easy, hand-picked instructions mentioned on our website, which takes only a few minutes to go through all the steps. Here you can find 3 simple steps for your Fitbit warranty claim. You can access customer assistance 24/7 via phone at 877-623-4997. You can also contact them through live chat or via email. There are 2 links on our website. Click on the second link to connect with their customer support team at fitbit.com. The primary solution provided by the customer support representative is troubleshooting guidance to restore your product to normal condition. However, if this fails, you will be provided with a replacement. We've reached the end of our warranty claim procedure video today. Before we say goodbye, if you ever get stuck or have questions about the warranty process, remember you can always reach out to us through the Warranty Valet website. We've helped countless customers before, and we're happy to do the same for you. I'm here to be your resource, anytime.